In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Outlook. Now this process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, we're going to start by navigating our way to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for Outlook. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a sign in button, which is where we'll click next. This is essential as it allows us to access all of Outlook's features. Now please proceed by signing in with your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Outlook account. If you've forgotten your password, there are options available to reset it, so don't worry. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook page, usually showing your inbox by default. From here, we're going to initiate the process of integrating Zoom. You'll want to click on New Mail located on the top left-hand side of your screen. This action will open up a new window for composing an email, but our focus here isn't on writing an email, it's on the toolbar that appears with it. Take a look at the toolbar and locate the Apps icon, which is quite easy to spot. Clicking on this icon will give you access to a range of different applications that can be integrated with Outlook. Among the options that appear will be Get Add-ins. Click on it and it will open a new menu that allows you to search for specific add-ins. In the search bar that appears, type in Zoom and hit enter. This will bring up the Zoom add-in that we need to integrate into Outlook. Once Zoom appears in the search results, you're going to simply click on Add. This action initiates the installation of the Zoom add-in, enabling Zoom functionalities directly within Outlook. It's worth noting that having this integration can greatly simplify scheduling and managing Zoom meetings right from your email interface. Additionally, it can enhance your productivity by helping you keep your communication tools seamlessly connected. Finally, a screen will prompt you to click on Continue. Doing this completes the integration process, ensuring that Zoom is now fully connected with your Outlook account. And that's it, you're all set to manage Zoom meetings from Outlook, making scheduling and joining meetings more efficient than ever before. This integration serves as a great tool for streamlining your workflow and improving overall efficiency. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do.